I made an opening tune for you.
Yeah?
One cut cooking. It's the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another night of cooking. We are making ourselves a delicious stir fry, but first, we must make note of this small little garlic here. We grew him ourselves, and we're very proud of him, and we're going to try to eat him today. Hopefully he's dried out enough, one way or another. He's going in the pan. Let's start things off. Get that pan nice and hot. A little bit of oil in there. Let's chop this garlic up. Certainly not very dry yet, but be very dry very soon. Back to it. So, what I'm going to do is take these red pepper flakes, add them in the pan. I like it spicy. I like quite a bit. Garlic on top of that. And if I'm quick enough, I'm going to add some ginger on top of that. And they all go. If you don't count the oil, it's a menage a trois of spices. Good old delicious flavor. If you count the oil, it's a menage a quatre, and that just doesn't sound as good. Cook that down just a little bit. Chop up my best friend, this onion. Oh, how could you do this to me? You're my best friend. Well, I'm hungry. You lived a good life. I appreciate your sacrifice. And I will cherish your memory forever and ever. Or at least until, like, next bowel movement or something, you know? Let's put this pork in the pan. Don't forget this guy that we love and cherish. Remember him. I've already credited you with the stirring. Basic required spices. Some salt, pepper. Get on it. Let's brown these guys up. While that's happening, we're going to do some more of my favorite thing to do is chop up some vegetables. We're doing it. It's going to be the best. Look forward to it. And hopefully look forward to the beautiful sounds that I managed to strum up or smash together, or something happens. We'll figure it out. I got friends. They'll help me. We'll do something beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. Starts with carrots.
One cut cooking. It's the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
Just a little bit hotter. So I need this. I crowded the pan. Wasn't quite fully defrosted yet, and it cooled it right off. I shan't be discouraged. I shall just chop on. Who's next? Celery. Carrots, time to shine. Get in there, boys. And here comes the wild card. The soy sauce. Good couple of gulps of that. Yeah. Come on, we need some temperature here. You can do this, little stovetop. I believe in you. Rocco time. Rocco, you're on the clocko. Bit of a nasty looking Brock, but I'll try to clean him up. Whip him into shape. It's not too late to whip him. Whip him good. Just let it whip. Hang on. We're getting sidetracked. Never get too sidetracked when you're trying to cook at a high temperature, which, ironically enough, I can't create here. But you get the gist of it, guys. You understand what's trying to happen. Rocco on the Chopo Blocko. Just making up words now. When did I start making up words? It's never whatever. Yep. Okay, we need a big rush here, boys. Come on. Let's do it. What do you got? Fill up that pan. There's always room for more. Let's go. Never mind. No stopping. Keep chopping. Ain't no stopping, big chop. I'm definitely not a bad boy. Let me know in the comments what kind of a boy you think I am. I don't think I'm a soy boy, but that's up to you to decide. Someone start a straw poll or something. Am I a real boy? Am I a puppet? Am I a muppet of a man? Last chop. I'm pretty hungry here now. Once you get the soy sauce in the pan, you get a little bit more freedom to let it sit in there for a little bit because you're not too worried about stuff sticking to the pan as bad. But up until that point, you gotta definitely keep an eye on your stir while it's frying, you know? You gotta stir it while it's frying. Okay, give me these. Pickled peppers. A bit of pepper sauce. Oh, going down. Try not to multitask, everybody. It's really dumb to do in the kitchen. You end up spilling. Making a mess. And if you're trying to multitask, have a way to clean it up. Because you're gonna make a mess. And if you don't clean it up right away, you're never gonna clean it up. And if you don't clean it up fast, you're gonna burn your food. So you clean it up the best you can. Make sure nothing's burning. You get back to it. Retire the chopping board. He worked hard. Knife did alright. That's all there is to it, guys. A delicious stir fry. Woo! Spice it up however you like it. Today's the day. Enjoy one.